In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a project in Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to keep your most important projects right at your fingertips, so you don't have to scroll around or search for them every time. Let's jump straight into Todoist. Go ahead and open your Todoist app, either in your browser or on your desktop or mobile device, and make sure you're signed in. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of projects. Find the project that you want to keep easily accessible. This might be something you're working on every day, like a major work initiative, a personal habit tracker, or a planning project you refer to often. Once you've located that project in the sidebar, hover your mouse over its name if you're on desktop, or tap to open it if you're on mobile. You're looking for the three-dot icon, which is usually displayed to the right of the project title. These three dots represent the More Options menu. If you don't see it right away, try moving your cursor slowly across the project line, or, on mobile, look for a similar menu icon near the top of the project screen. Now, click or tap on the three dots. This will open a small menu with several options related to that specific project. In this menu, look for the option that says Add to Favorites. This is the key step. In Todoist, pinning a project is done by adding it to your favorites, which moves it into a dedicated favorites section, typically at the top of your sidebar. That way, it stays visible and easy to access, no matter how many other projects you have. Go ahead and select Add to Favorites. As soon as you click it, you should see that project appear under the Favorites section in your sidebar. If the Favorites section wasn't visible before, it should show up now with your newly added project inside it. From this point on, you can open that project quickly by clicking it from favorites instead of scrolling through your entire project list. If you change your mind later, you can remove the project from favorites using